सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुर सुधारी। बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फलचारी। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवारि सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन बिराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनि बेको रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा बिकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि संभाई। सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे अस कहीं श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कभी कौबिद कहीं सके कहते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाए राजपत दीन्हा। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मैली मुख माहि जलदि लांघि गए अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हरे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघु भरपुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त तन धरहि, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करहि। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो 7 बार पाठ करे कोई, छूटहि बद्धि महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्ध साकी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजय नाथ हृदय बहडेरा। कीजय नाथ हृदय बहडेरा। पवन तने संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुरभूप। सियावर राम चंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान। This is the most beautiful Leela of all. Just before this, in the last session, we saw that Ma Yashoda had the knowledge that Sri Krishna is not an ordinary child, right? Somewhere she realized, when she saw the entire universe for the second time in the mouth of the Lord, she realized that he is Parabrahm, who has taken a human birth for the benefit of all his devotees. And at that time she distanced herself from him. She said, Nahi, if this is the Lord, why should I behave like a mother and dictate terms to him? And this distressed Lord Krishna a lot. He totally got so worried that he would not get the love of his mother anymore. And he begged Maya Devi to put ignorance in front of her mother's eye again, so that she could treat him like any ordinary child, like the mother would treat a child. And so the knowledge of Sri Krishna being Brahman vanished. And then again started the Leela. Now Sri Krishna was known for his mischief, as we have heard in the last class. He's known for his mischief about stealing butter, breaking pots, feeding the monkeys. And he has a special affection towards the monkeys, because I feel when he took the Ram avatar, in fact, many of the sages feel that when he took the Ram avatar, the Vanars helped him a lot. So now he makes sure that he feeds Makhan to all the Vanars also. So, ye chal raha tha. And one day, Ma Yashoda was just sitting in her house and she was engrossed, totally engrossed in churning butter. Now she was churning butter, okay? What is churning butter? She's sitting there with a pot and there is a lot of dahi in it, and she has this string, and then there is that stick which is inside the pot, and there goes the churning. And the description of Ma Yashoda churning butter is so beautiful that she had मोगरे के जो फूल होते हैं ना, she had that mala, she had those flower garlands on her hair, and she was wearing a yellow cloth, and she's so engrossed in churning butter that she does not even remember what is happening around her. Literally, it took so much of effort that she is literally perspiring. Sweat is falling down, and still she's churning, and string bit by bit, the flour from her hair is also falling next to her, but she has no knowledge of anything else but the fact that she is churning this butter for Sri Krishna. She's churning dahi to make butter for her beloved little boy Krishna, who is still sleeping right now. While she is working, she has the thought of the Lord in her mind. And whenever she is doing anything, all she can think about is her son, a beautiful blue son, Krishna. Nothing else ever comes to her mind. No thought ever comes to her mind. So over here, when she's churning also, she's engrossed in the thought of Sri Krishna. And she's perspiring, she has no knowledge of it. The flowers from her hair are falling, she has no knowledge of it. Her thought is totally one with Sri Krishna. And she's churning with all the effort, and there is love. The thought of Krishna is bringing such divine love in her heart, that divine, though I should not say, motherly love in her heart, that because Sri Krishna is still small, he's at that age when a mother feeds the child, right? So it is described that her breasts are overflowing with milk. And we all have experienced this. When you have that divine love, that extreme love for your child, your breasts start overflowing. And her clothes are wet with it. Yet she has no knowledge. All she's thinking about is her beloved son and how he's going to get up and how she has made so many flavors of butter. This is the best butter that she is going to make. And now she's thinking what flavor she's going to add. What will Krishna like to do? And then she's glancing there and thinking, when will he get up? She's so engrossed that soon after, the thought about when will he get up also goes away. She's just visualizing how he laughs, how he walks, how he, gets so naughty. Why do so many complaints come? He is so small. He cannot do so many, mischievous things. And she's so engrossed that she forgets everything else around her. For that moment, she forgets to glance also, to see whether he's sleeping or he's awake. And slowly, dheere, 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 he comes and he taps at his mother's shoulder. And he demands, he says, I want to drink milk. I'm very hungry. Of course, he just got up, so he's very hungry and he wants milk. And my Yashoda is very busy churning and she does not know what to do. Now, will she stop churning or she'll ask Krishna to wait? No, she did not ask Krishna to wait. She grabbed her son immediately. She hugged him, cuddled him, and she started feeding him. She is feeding her child. She has left everything else as it is. And Shri Krishna is also immersed. And this is what happens when one is totally immersed in the Lord, right? What we normally do is we put the other things first and Lord is fitted in whenever we have the time, right? But over here, Ma Yashoda, while she is doing everything around the house, while she is churning the dahi to make butter, her thought is constantly connected to the Lord. Because every action of hers is only for the Lord, only for Shri Krishna, nobody else. So when this kind of a connection is there, when this kind of an attraction is there, this is known as the sadhak, who is doing the sadhana, attracts the sadhyay, the one who she is thinking of without any effort. See what happened? She is the sadhak. The churning of the butter is an exercise, a sadhana that she is doing because she is making that for Shri Krishna. And she's so engrossed in her work at that time, she stopped glancing also, looking at him, because her thought is already focused on him. And without her calling, he came on his own. So through this kind of sadhana, you do not even have to call the Lord. वो खिंचे चले आते हैं खुद to that kind of a sadhak who is engrossed totally in him. But how many of these kind of sadhaks are there? Very few. Because we are so engrossed in the world that the thought of the Lord does not even cross our mind. This is the irony of today. And then we say, Prabhu aate hi nahi hai. Hum unko bulate hi nahi hai. We want him around as a ritual. We want him around to fulfill our needs. Beyond that, we do not want to have anything to do with him. Over here, Ma Yashoda has nothing to do with anybody else but him. Her entire being, from before his birth, because she had done a lot of tapasya to get him as her son. And now, when he has come, she has nothing else to do with anybody. She gets up with his thought. She works with his thought. She sleeps with his thought. There is nothing else that ever crosses her mind. Her very existence is for him. And when this kind of a devotion arises, without your calling, God will tippy-toe and come to you and tap your shoulder and tell you that I am here. And that is the moment when the sadhana ties the sadhak and the sadhyay. Sadhak is the person who is praying to the sadhyay, that is the Lord. And what ties him? It is sadhana. Can we do without sadhana? No, we cannot. We assume that, without any sadhana, Lord will come. He won't. The ultimate sadhana is needed. For simple achievements in our life, even to achievements bhi chodo, even to maintain relationships with people, how much of an effort goes in? You have to remember to call them on their birthdays. You have to remember to go to their houses. And if you have gone, you have to call them also. Then you have to indulge. Beech mein you have to remember and talk to them. Then you have to remember small things about their children's birthday or their examination or their health. So much of an effort is put into nurturing one relationship. Isn't it? It is not easy. You don't nurture relationships. They are not just going to flourish. They are going to vanish. लेने का देना होता है इस दुनिया में, राइट? तो फिर भगवान से लेने का देना क्यों नहीं? We expect him to nurture the relationship without giving him any attention. But when it comes to worldly relationships, how much effort do we put in? Even if we do not want to go, we'll say बुरा लग जाएगा, जाना पड़ेगा. पर जब प्रभु की बात आती है तब उनको बुरा नहीं लगता क्या? लगता है ना? So look at Ma Yashoda's devotion. When you look at the gopis' devotion, when you look at the devotion of all the Gwalas, this is the kind of devotion which pulled the Lord towards them. That one focused love for God, nothing else, and nothing else matters to them. Beyond that, if you look at the story of the gopis, you look at the story of Ma Yashoda, they leave everything behind. Sudbodh khoke, they run when Shri Krishna calls. And over here also, Ma Yashoda dropped everything that very minute. The minute the Lord tapped, she dropped her work. Sab secondary hai. God is first. But our priorities are really messed up. And that is why there are very few who have the darshan of the Lord. And then we ask for praman. Praman kaise hoga? जब इतनी भक्ति ही नहीं है, तो you won't be able to see, you won't be able to feel also. And probably you would not see him work for you also in the life. Because that kind of attention has not been given. That relationship with the Lord has not been nurtured. Because we are so busy nurturing so many other things in the world which are just futile. They are all passing clouds. And Ma Yashoda knows this. कि बाकी सब secondary है, मेरे प्रभु पहले हैं. And she takes him and she cuddles him and she's feeding him. And now, she's feeding him. She is busy. Ek test pass ho gaya ki Shri Krishna came, she dropped everything that very minute. And she took Shri Krishna and she is feeding him. Now, Shri Krishna is also very naughty, right? So he said, I also have to test her. Yes, she dropped everything, but makhan to kuch nahi hai. She can start churning it after a while. What is the problem? Is she really that attached to me? Is she really so much in love with me? Is she really, does she really care about me so much that she can drop everything for me? And so the Lord decided to test his own mother. Dekho. We feel that he will not test us. Of course he'll test us. वो अपनी मम्मी को ही नहीं छोड़ते हैं. When he wanted the love from his mother, he put ignorance back on her. Right? And now, although he knows that she's totally in love with him, he still feels that what if something else more important comes? Will she drop me that very minute and go? And so thinking this in his mind, a beautiful thing is described. He says, he looks at a distance and what does he see? He sees that there is milk kept on the chula or, wood. At that time, I do not know whether they had gas or not, but there is milk there. And so what he did is, with his Shakti, he called the Devi and he said, burn. Agni Dev, jalo. And Agni Dev started burning. And when Agni Dev started burning and the milk is on top of it, what will happen? It will flow. And that is what happened. It started flowing. And when the milk started flowing, Ma Yashoda heard, that zzz, and then she saw, doodh gir raha hai. That very minute she took Shri Krishna, she put him in the corner and she ran to switch off the gas or, put off the fire and take off the milk and put it in the corner. Otherwise the milk would have spilled. And this made Shri Krishna very angry. He said, this is very wrong. Abhi to, she dropped everything and she took me. Now the milk is more important than I am. She left me. I wanted to drink more milk. How could she do this to me? Oh, haven't we observed this? Our babies, when they are small, if you don't feed them on time, how much of a ruckus do they create? If they are hungry and you don't feed the child will cry for another 15-20 minutes. Then only will the child drink. That much of an anger they have. So Shri Krishna thodi kam the. And now he's drinking and suddenly his mother just pulled him and put him in the corner when he is not full. And now he's very angry. Just imagine. He says, Ab main batata hu. So you think the milk is more important? The milk is more important than I am. And what he started doing is beyond description. That also in his own house. So far he was doing these things in other people's house. So Ma Yashoda was covering up and saying, अच्छा क्या चाहिए, कितना माखन चाहिए, मेरे घर से ले जाओ. No, ये नहीं कर सकता. कृष्ण इतना नहीं कर सकता. छोटा सा तो है. How can he do all this mischief? You must have the wrong boy. Okay, any which ways you can take whatever you want. But now the mischief was going to happen in his own house under his mother's nose, and the consequences would have been grave. But in that fit of anger, Shri Krishna forgot everything. He said, "Ma, mujhe chhod ke kaise chale gayi?" And this entire beautiful episode of the mother leaving Shri Krishna and running away is described beyond words by all sages. Now one sage says that Shri Krishna wanted to test his mother, right? And that is why he made the fire burn. But there is another sage who says that he thought that, that milk is from my beloved cow, right? Gangi. So I want to drink that also. Now, if I keep feeding here, I'll get full and I won't be able to drink that milk. So what he did was he wanted to distract his mother. So that is why he made the fire burn. Some say he wanted to test his mother. So he made the fire burn. But this is not only Shri Krishna and his thought that is going on. Now, why did Ma, who knew that Shri Krishna is the prime most important thing in her existence and life, drop Shri Krishna and go? Was it because she thought that other things are more important? He has already had enough and he can be taken care of later? Some say that she also knew that, that is the cow's milk that Krishna drinks. And if it falls down, it overflows, there won't be anything left. Then my son would be hungry later because he's old enough. My feed is not enough for him. Thinking of Shri Krishna, she dropped him there and she ran to save the milk for Shri Krishna. Because Yashoda could not give priority to anything else but her Lala, isn't it? Because otherwise, kaise hota? So she thought, that now the sages say, no. She passed the test because even when she ran, she had the thought that this is my Krishna's milk. This is his favorite cow's milk. Other than this cow's milk, he does not drink anything else. And so she ran. And to that extent that she had nothing else even then in her mind. But what happened to the milk? Probably the milk also thought that I am supposed to go into Shri Krishna's mouth. And now Ma Yashoda is feeding him. By the end of it, he'll be full. Then I would not be able to do his seva. See, there is nothing which is living or unliving. Everything has that emotion when the Lord is in play. So it is said that the milk felt restless. He felt restless. He said, oh my God, the milk felt restless. He said, no. He cannot get full. If he keeps drinking, he would not drink me. And I want to serve him too. And that is why the milk jumped. And when he jumped, Ma Yashoda dropped Shri Krishna and she ran. Could that be the reason? And some sages say, no. You know what? He was thinking. The milk was thinking, look, I have the darshan of Shri Krishna. He is there. I always feed him. I satiate his hunger. But look at me. In spite of him being there, I have to burn on this fire. If he cannot rescue me, who else can? Thinking this, he just wanted to end his existence and he jumped. Just imagine, the milk jumped. What is the use of my existence? Even when Shri Krishna is there, I'm still having to burn. This is what happens to us. Even if I'm praying to Lord, why are there so many problems coming in my life? And then you jump. So the milk jumped. Just imagine the thought that was going on in the milk's mind. Or the milk was so restless that he just wanted to jump out and reach the Lord. There are so many analogies that they give, and it is beautiful to think that Ma could be thinking something, Shri Krishna could be thinking something, and the milk could be thinking something. Do we ever think from this perspective that everything that is there is actually for him only? Be it the tangible or the intangible, living or the non-living, everything is just being attracted towards the Lord. Everything is for him. However, that thought never goes in our mind. We think everything is for us. It has been given to us by him. Sometimes that by him also does not come. I have heard many people say that we are self-made people. Really? Self-made from which angle? It's a very simple thing which it's amusing, if it is up to us, we can't even move a leaf. And then we say we are self-made. Who made you? There are many who do not want to give credit to their parents. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It is not right, but even if it is not your parents, do you think without the grace of the Lord you could reach where you have reached? It takes a second for everything to be taken away. And it takes a second for the pauper to become rich also. Who is doing all this? एक वही तो कर रहा है ना. There is nobody else. It's just a play of his eye, He looks and he said, ठीक है, तथास्तु, बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है क्या ऐसा? एक सेकंड में सब खत्म. एक सेकंड में सब चालू. Who are we? What is our existence? But we do not realize it. Unfortunate, isn't it? Ma Yashoda was in this realization. She had no doubts about it. She was very much in sync with the thought of the Lord. She was very much in sync with whatever is happening is for Krishna, through Krishna, by Krishna. There was nothing other than Shri Krishna. So when that vibration was there in the house, and when Shri Krishna himself, that divine, just imagine, कैसे है भगवान जो अवतार लेके he comes so that he is between all of us, so that he can solve our problems, so that he can get the love from us. All that he seeks is love, right? That Brahman, he does not have to come. Why does he have to come? He's happy there. But he comes because he wants to be with us. He comes because he wants to save us. He comes because he wants to experience the love. Bar, he comes running. But do we see? We do not see because many a times we do not even have the realization कि वो किस अवतार में आ गए. और जब नहीं समझ आता कि किस अवतार में, चलो माँ यशोदा को तो कृष्ण दिख रहे हैं कि कृष्ण आ गए. Krishna has many times tried to reveal his identity to Maya Yashoda, but that is not happening to us. तो हमें क्या पता किस अवतार में कृष्ण आ गए? Then how should we behave at that time? Because वो तो आते रहते हैं. And look at this beautiful Leela. Leave everything else. Just imagine that Brahman, that energy, that Mayapati came running down to be between the cowherd people. His mother is a cowherd lady. कुछ भी नहीं है. And for her love, he is running from here to there. I wonder how lonely he must be because of all of us, I totally wonder. He created the world to be loved, and nobody has the time to even look at him. And whenever people look at him, that is for a reason. So, and now here, he's very angry, Shri Krishna, कि अब मैं बताता हूँ कि मेरे को देख रहे नहीं है. See, this can happen to anybody. We should be, इसी के लिए कहते हैं कि भाई संसार में रम रहे हो ना, whenever you are in the world, don't forget the Lord. एक सेकेंड लगेगा, जब गुस्सा आया ना वो सारी मटकियां एक साथ फोड़ेगा. वी टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड कि ठीक है ना. नहीं, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इनको गुस्सा भी आता है. नाउ ही गॉट सो एंग्री, ही सेड अभी बताता हूं माँ को. एंड ही टुक अ स्टोन, ही ब्रोक ऑल द पॉट्स. Not only did he break all the pots, his friends heard him and they came, all the monkeys came. He said, अब क्या करना है, कहाँ जाएंगे हम, कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. Today we will take butter from this house only. And again, he called the monkeys. He used to call all the monkeys. He'd call all the dogs. He'd call everybody and feed them the butter. Not only did he break each and every pot that was there, which Ma Yashoda so tiringly had made, filled with butter of different flavors, he ate a little. Not only this, he gave it to all his friends. And when they got full, he called all the animals and he started feeding them. And after that, they said, Ab kya? Bola, ab to you make a nice mess here. She's busy, right? She wants to work, right? She does not have time for me. So she wants to do only this, right? So let's create some work for her, na? Because abhi tak everything was nice. She could have played with me. Now she is busy. She likes all this. I'll give her more work. Pura mess everywhere. There is butter. It's sticky. Everything is broken. And Ma Yashoda is just gone for a while. And by the time she switches off the gas and she comes back, what does she see? Oh my God. Not only is Krishna white, with blue peeping out, the monkeys are white. All his friends are here. And they are literally playing, slipping around here and there, lolling in the butter. The butter is on the walls. The butter is everywhere. And she yells. Probably this was the first time Ma Yashoda ever yelled at Shri Krishna with so much of anger. Abhi tak there used to be love. Now this was pure anger. And Shri Krishna felt, ab to gaye. And she looked around and she picked up a stick. Bahut ho gaya. Because now she realized that all that everybody was telling about my son was right. मैं ही पागल थी. मुझे ही नहीं दिख रहा था. I was blinded by his love. I used to think such an innocent child, such big dear eyes. ये क्या कर सकता है? So small. He's not even 3. And look, he actually does it. There were pots hanging on the ceiling. They are also broken. And pura butter everywhere. And this time, Shri Krishna is scared. He realized that she is angry. Ab maar padegi. And Ma took the stick and all his friends said, Krishna, what do we do? Bolo, you guys run away. The monkeys ran away. And all these children, they ran back to their mothers. Mummy, आज कृष्णा की पिटाई होने वाली है. क्यों, क्या हुआ? What happened? He broke all the pots in his own house. He stole butter. He messed up. He fed us. And Ma Yashoda is very angry. Ma Yashoda is angry. Yes, she has a stick in her hands and she's about to hit Shri Krishna. She's running after him and Shri Krishna is running away from her with that fear. But she can't catch Shri Krishna. Bhage ja rahi hai. But Shri Krishna, that little boy, somehow she's unable to catch him. Aise kaise? With the stick she is running, and in that meantime, everybody from the village has come to her house. And all the gopis are saying, no, kyun maar rahi ho? Kya ho gaya? See what he has done. What all of you are saying is right. He is the thief. I have to teach him a lesson, right? I am a mother. It is my duty to set him right. Ye to chor hai, chor. Apne hi ghar se chori kar raha hai. And he has been stealing from your houses. I never believed you. ये वाकई चोर है. अब तो मैं इसको मारूंगी. The gopis came and held her. I said, please ma, don't. कितने मटके फोड़े उसने. We don't have much, but all of us will give you all our butter. Don't hit Krishna. चुप रहो. Now they said she's not listening because they are pleading and she's not listening. So now they decided to change the strategy. They said, listen, how many years did you have to pray to get a child like him? Huh? At that time you were desperate. I want a baby. Your hair became white. You did not have any son. And now you have such a lovely boy. Why? You got him so that you hit him. She did not listen. She said, listen, he is my son. I'll do whatever I want to with him. You go away, all of you. I don't want your butter and I don't want you to interfere, because this time Ma Yashoda was angry. And now the gopis thought nobody can save him because Ma Yashoda aaj to pitegi isko. Everybody is looking and they have taken a backseat now. They cannot interfere between Ma Yashoda and Shri Krishna. Bhakt और भगवान के बीच में कौन आ सकता है? कोई नहीं आ सकता. तो अब तो ये पिटेगा. And they are worried. They do not know what to do. They start praying to no other than him only कि भाई कोई तो बचा ले इसको. And Ma Yashoda is running with a stick. But it just so happens that this little boy is hiding here, hiding there, going under the table and chair. Yet Ma Yashoda is not able to catch him. Why is that so? ऐसा क्या है कि भक्त भगवान को नहीं पकड़ पा रहा है? And they are wondering. Now Ma Yashoda so fast, Shri Krishna hardly walking. Kya kare? What is happening? Till we have the stick in our hands, We cannot catch the Lord. What is this stick? The stick is the stick of अहंकार. And हर भक्त को अहंकार आ जाता है. किसका अहंकार? मेरी साधना, मेरी तपस्या. I sacrificed so much. I left everything so that I can reach the Lord. I have been working so hard. I gave up the world for the Lord. The stick, isn't it? The stick of yours. This is the stick which every bhakt holds. Be it Jnani, be it Vairagi, because they have this ego that I gave up so much to reach him. And see, he is in front of me. But till you are holding that stick of ego, you are holding that stick of sadhana, you are holding that stick that I have done everything, the Lord will be there, but you would not be able to catch him. Because मैं हूं तो प्रभु नहीं, और जब प्रभु है तब मैं नहीं. And this is the मैं that we hold. Most devotees, most sadhak, most bhaktas. अरे मैं तो सुबह उठ के 2 घंटा तपस्या करता हूँ भाई, सुबह शाम पूजा करता हूँ. नहीं बताओ किसी को भी. This bhakti, there is said, right? दान है, भक्ति है, तपस्या है. It should be closed. Nobody should ever come to know what you are doing. Because that is ego, right? The minute you feel मैं कर रहा हूँ, you are going to tell the world that I do this, I do that, I have been doing this. Who are you? Because of the Lord, you have the buddhi to do it, right? इससे पहले तो नहीं कर रहे थे, इसके बाद में भी शायद नहीं करोगे. When you are able to serve him and when you are able to think of him, it is because of his grace alone that that thought has come to your mind. It is because of his grace alone that the situation is in your favor. It is because of his grace alone that you are able to do your service towards him. Had that grace not been there, नहीं कर सकते थे. बैठे बैठे भी उठना पड़ जाता. सो कृपा तो उन्हीं की है ना, तो फिर ये डंडा किस बात का? Why is this stick in your hand then? Who are you? And this is where the greatest of sages, the greatest of vairagis, the greatest of sadhus, the greatest of bhaktas fail. Because they feel, I did. Until that I did is there, that Prabhu might be just near, but you'll never be able to catch him. And it takes an eternity to realize that you did not do anything. It is only his kripa. And when the kripa goes away, all this sadhana, everything goes away. It is all his kripa. And Ma Yashoda got so tired. Finally, she left the stick. And when she left the stick and she ran, she could catch hold of Shri Krishna. तो ऐसे भागना है भक्त को कि भगा भी वो ही रहा है. And पकड़ में वो. You think we can catch him? Without his will, nobody can even have a glimpse of him. It is his will. He allowed Ma Yashoda to catch hold of him. And now Ma Yashoda caught hold of him. And she said, up to the kaan pakda. She held his hand, pulled it, and she's pulling him in. Where? There's a big, rock, or क्या कहते हैं उसे, musal कहते हैं. Mortar होता है ना, big one. And she said, I'll tie you here. And you'll stand here and everybody is saying, Ma Yashoda, please don't tie Shri Krishna. Please, please, please. All the gopis are saying, just imagine, her own family has become like a big drama to everybody and everybody is interfering, And she's so angry. She's saying, why don't you go do your own work? अपने अपने घर जाओ ना. This is my matter. This is my son. I am dealing with him. Why are all of you here? And okay, if you are here, just be quiet. I am the mother. He is my son. Nobody will open their mouth. Everybody is so sad कि आज तो कृष्ण बन जाएंगे. आज तो कृष्ण बन जाएंगे. पहले तो तक पिट जाएंगे. तो चलो ठीक है. At least, he did not get beaten up with the stick. Now she is worried कि he'll get tied. And they are thinking, what will we do? How do we save him? We can't do anything. And they are standing there very sad. And Shri Krishna is literally crying. Just imagine why? Because he's scared. He's scared of his mother. The one, he is known as the Kalo ke Kal. उनसे काल भी घबराता है और ये अपनी माँ से घबरा रहे हैं. He is literally trembling कि आज तो गया. आज I don't know what my Yashoda will do. Nobody has been able to save me. And she is just not listening. Her eyes are red and she's literally angry. And this Kalo ke Kal is trembling. Just imagine. That Lord who can make the greatest of demons tremble is trembling in front of Ma Yashoda. Ma, sorry, अब मैं नहीं करूँगा. Next time I won't do it. Please leave me. No, no, no. तेरे को तो नहीं छोड़ूंगी. You deserve a punishment. चोर कहीं का. Everybody is going to say that Yashoda का बेटा चोर है. I never believed it. I was blinded by your love. मेरे सामने तो और पता नहीं क्या क्या लोग और क्या क्या करके आया है. You know, then because of respect of Yashoda, many people did not even tell her what her son was up to. And she's so angry with all of them. And now she can't be angry with them also. Many of them tried to tell also. बोले कितने लोगों ने बोला, I never believed them. I trusted you. And you broke my trust. Watch, आज तो नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुझे. इतना गुस्सा. She's angry because he broke her trust. He lied to her. And she's wondering, Bhagwan जाने, what all does he do outside? And I don't even know. And everybody is going to say, what? यशोदा का बेटा चोर है. And she is not worried that कि वो चोर है. She is worried कि यशोदा का बेटा चोर है. होता है ना कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. मैंने तुझे ये संस्कार दिए हैं. What will people think about me? अरे भाई माँ, तूने क्या संस्कार दिए हैं? सब अपने अपने संस्कार लेके आते हैं. सबके अपने अपने वासना होती हैं. Why are you blaming and killing yourself for it? चुप रहे कृष्ण. ज्ञान मत दे तू मुझे. अब जस्ट इमेजिन कितना, मतलब इसमें भी गुस्सा उस एक्शन पे नहीं है. गुस्सा उस एक्शन का नतीजा मेरे पे क्या होने वाला है. व्हाट विल पीपल से. यशोदा का बेटा चोर. अरे कृष्ण चोर चलो चलेगा. यशोदा का कृष्ण चोर. बस सिखाया ही नहीं मैंने तुझे कुछ. देयर इज सो मच ऑफ बटर इन आवर हाउस. क्यों जाता है दूसरों के घर. Oh my God, everybody, अरे यशोदा, it's all right, we don't mind, promise हम कभी भी आगे से शिकायत नहीं करेंगे, we will not come to your house. हाँ, that is why many of you did not come, right? That you spoiled him. You should have told me. I would have, but when we told you, I did not listen, right? Now I'm going to set him right. Oh, she is angry. She's scolding everybody, and then she's scolding herself, and she's saying, यशोदा का बेटा चोर है ना, यशोदा का बेटा चोर. अब श्री कृष्ण बोल रहे चोर कहाँ माँ. ये सब मतलब जस्ट इमेजिन. कृष्ण का ही है ना. कृष्ण ने किससे चोरी की. सबको तो उसी ने दिया है. अपना ही उसने ले लिया है. पर हम क्या कहते हैं, हाय मेरा भगवान ने ले लिया. आई हैड सो मच एंड सी गॉड टुक एवरीथिंग अवे फ्रॉम मी. इट वॉज नेवर योर्स. इट वॉज हिज. ही गेव इट टू यू. ही टुक इट अवे. वेयर इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ ही टुक अवे. इट्स हिज. He has been kind enough for you, to let you use everything. But in that process, we just forget that there is nothing that is yours. We are at His mercy. And probably that is right, Unfortunately, when we teach love, it does not sink in. Maybe we should also change the philosophy like everybody else has done and say fear. कि तुमने अगर ये नहीं करा ना तो ऐसा होगा तुम्हारे साथ में. हम तो बोलते हैं वो कुछ भी कर लो तुम्हें प्यार करेगा, तो वी टेक द लिबर्टी एंड हम कुछ भी करते हैं. बट अदर पीपल व्हेन दे से राइट, इफ यू डू दिस this will happen to you. If you do this, this will happen to you. If you don't pray, this is going to happen to you. Fear, probably, fear works better than love. And that is what we should do. Unfortunately, poor Shri Krishna does not know how to show any fear. ये तो यशोदा से डर के थर थर काँप रहे हैं. Just imagine, बेचारे छोटे से कृष्णा, उनको fear दिखाना आता ही कहाँ है. इसी के लिए तो ना वी टेक द लिबर्टी. मन हुआ तो कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा, नहीं मन हुआ तो कृष्णा एक हफ्ते बाद मिलेंगे. अभी तो बहुत बिजी है. क्यों बिजी है जी? बहुत काम है. लोग आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं. अभी दिवाली चल रही है. अरे दिवाली किसके लिए मनाते हैं? मेरे लिए तो मनाते हैं ना. नहीं, जैसे होता है ना, when Shri Krishna he turned and Ma Yashoda said, my son has turned, so I'm going to call everybody. Right? So what she did is, she called everybody. She wanted to give things to everybody. But what did she do? Where did she put Shri Krishna? She put Shri Krishna under the cart. And Shri Krishna said, this celebration is for me, isn't it? Why am I under the cart? Why is everybody eating and I am not? Why have you forgotten me, Ma? Because I turned, no? That is why you called everybody. Why am I under the cart? And why is all that makhan, butter, mishri, laddus, everything on the cart? Why am I not getting anything? Why have you forgotten me? And that is when he kicked the cart. हद हो गई. Celebration मेरे लिए और मुझे ही भूल गए. क्या कर रहे हो? And that is what happens to all of us. And poor Shri Krishna, he does not know how to show us fear. He is divine love, right? Satchit Anand, bliss, bliss, bliss. So there is no iota of fear. And उनको क्या पता कि हम लोग बिना डरे मानते ही नहीं हैं. कहते हैं ना, लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते. तो फिर वो कृष्ण लात भी लगा देते हैं. एंड उसने तोड़ा ना शक्टासुर को, तोड़ा शक्टा, वो शकट तोड़ा पूरा ही थ्रू दैट कार्ट अवे. एंड नाउ ही ब्रोक ऑल द पॉट्स. एंड वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. He is watching, and then suddenly everything falls. And then we see ये क्या हुआ? अरे संसार में इतना रम गए, प्रभु को भूल गए. तो प्रभु ने बोला कि अब मुझे भी याद कर लो तो संसार तोड़ देता हूं तुम्हारा. तो is it कृपा? Of course it is कृपा. Because our journey is supposed to be towards the Lord. We get misguided, so he is getting us back on path. So if it requires for us to lose everything, so be it. इसी के लिए कहते हैं कि कहते हैं ना, दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई. जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए. अरे भाई, जब सब कुछ अनुकूल है तो देन तो एक एक क्षण प्रभु की भक्ति में लगा दो. कहते हैं ना, हनुमान जी सेज, राम काज कीने बिना मोहि कहाँ विश्राम. All the, while he was going to Mar Sita, when he had taken that plunge, when he was going, Meru Parvat came, so many attractions came, so many distractions came. Did he stop? No. He said, राम काज कीने बिना मोहे कहाँ विश्राम. और हमें तो विश्राम मिल जाए तो राम काज तो छोड़ो, मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. इट इज श्रम ऐसा होना चाहिए कि भगवान के काम में आप अपनी थकान भी भूल जाओ. नहीं, हरि काम हरि काम हरि काम, हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम, नथिंग एल्स. एंड दैट इज द क्रक्स ऑफ आवर एग्जिस्टेंस, वेदर वी लाइक इट और नॉट. When we say you build a spiritual base and then build your material world around, you will never sway from the path. But if you remove the spiritual base and start building the material world, तो वो तो collapse होगा ही ना आगे पीछे. अभी नहीं तो थोड़े समय बाद में. Because it does not have a solid foundation. And now my Yashoda has decided कि अब तो मैं तेरे को बांध के रहूंगी. ठीक है. First she had to put down the stick. That stick कि मैंने प्रभु को पा लिया. Right? And now she took out the ropes. She took out the rope and now she's tying. नहीं हो रहा. 2 उंगली का फर्क. She runs in. She gets another rope. And again she ties. वापस 2 उंगली का फर्क. Again she gets in. Another rope. दुपट्टा, साड़ी, सब कुछ आ गया. कुछ बचा ही नहीं. 2 उंगली का फर्क. And सब लोग देख रहे हैं. They are wondering what is happening. इतना सा बालक, इतनी सी मूसल, छोटा छोटा सा हाथ, छोटा छोटा सा पैर. And this, why are we not able to tie him? Ma Yashoda is frustrated. She is amazed and she is angry. And she is perspiring. She is tired. The gopis are wondering, speechless all of them. The children are thinking, ये क्या हो रहा है? It is a miracle unfolding in front of them. She is bringing in everything. But the minute she tries to try him, 2 उंगली का फर्क, 2 उंगली का फर्क, 2 उंगली का फर्क. And Ma Yashoda is finally very tired because everything in the house is over. And she is unable to tie. And she sits down. And she is frustrated. She is disappointed. She is angry. And she looks at Shri Krishna. And Shri Krishna looks at her. Not with a smile because he is still trembling. क्योंकि लकड़ी रखी है ना पास में. It takes a minute for her to take and hit him. झापट भी लगा सकती हो तो माँ है. माँ का क्या, 2 लगाएगी अभी पकड़ के. क्यों? क्योंकि तू चोर है और मुझे तुझे अच्छा बनाना है. उसके लिए 4 भी लगाने पड़ेंगे तो लगाऊंगी. माँ का हक होता है. माँ का हक है अपने बेटे को सीधा करना. तो उसको पता है कि ये इसका हक है. अब क्या करूं, अब क्या करूं. And now he knows कि ये रस्सी से बांधी नहीं जा रही है. क्या करे? It's beautiful, you know. When they were trying to try Shri Krishna, she was my Yashoda. Aishwarya, वो divine, divine goddess, she came. And she said, अरे इसको कैसे बांध लोगे? And she looks at him. He said, देखो, ऐश्वर्या की जगह यहाँ नहीं है. You go back to Mathura. I'll come and meet you when we are there. Right now, these are humble people. There is no place for this Aishwarya and glory over here. You leave. They are trying to tie you. No. Over here, I am just a little boy. यहाँ पे there is no space for ऐश्वर्य. There is no space for glory. कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए मुझे. आप जाओ. मैं आपसे मथुरा के पास आके मिलूंगा. आपकी जगह नहीं है यहाँ पे. Rukmani, all these devis, they never came this side, right? Because Aishwarya, you cannot show your whatever glory, your money and everything and your wealth to the Lord. It does not work that way. And the Lord is saying, these people are very humble. What my Aishwarya avatar is not over here. I am that humble boy who this mother is going to hit and tie. So please go. And she leaves. And but still, Mama is not able to tie him. My Yashoda badi pareshan. All the ropes, everything is over, and now she sits down. And she looks at Shri Krishna. And the look is of total... she's kind of disheartened, but she is kind of surrendered. And the eye, when the eye meets the eye, Shri Krishna says, I should be tied by my mother. Because she sat down. Why? Because what is this difference of two fingers? What is it? This difference of two fingers is very simple. And this दो उंगली का फर्क कहीं जगह हुआ है. Where? When Kag Bhasundi, remember? When Kag Bhasundi, he came to see Sri Ram, and Sri Ram was only what? Hardly 4 or 5 years old. So he came, right? He is a crow. So he came and he wanted to be with Sri Ram. Every time when Sri Ram is 4 or 5 years old, Kag Bhasundi will come and spend time there and be with Sri Ram. So whenever Sri Ram would be eating something and something would be dropped, he would go and he'll pick and eat. Whenever Sri Ram would eat something, he'd come and try to take it away from the Lord. Now, this time what he did was he went a bit too far. Sri Ram was about to pick something, and Kag Bhasundi came, and before Sri Ram could reach it, he took it and ran away. The minute the crow took the bread or the roti or the laddu and he was running away, Ram started crying. He cried. Now over here, Krishna is trembling, right? He's crying. All his kajal is everywhere around his face. Just imagine, there is no distinction between the kajal and his face. But it is all around his face because he is literally weeping and crying and trembling. Now over there also Sri Ram, he's crying and crying and crying. कि मेरा bread ले गया, मेरी रोटी ले गया, वो कवा ले गया. And now this Kag Bhasundi, who knows that ये तो परम ब्रह्म है, लीला कर रहे हैं, he got deluded. He said, ये ऐसे कैसे रो रहे? Just because I took a piece of bread, he's crying. Is he Brahm or is he just a little boy? And when the doubt came, the Lord opened his mouth and laughed. And when he laughed, the crow and the bread went into his stomach. And what did he see? The same thing that my Yashoda had seen. The universe, the galaxies, the multiverse, all the trees and planets, so many manvantars put together, so many kalps, so many of Yashodas. She has also seen the same thing. He saw so many Kaushalyas, so many Kag Bhasundis, so many things that were there, but one thing that did not change was the Lord. He could not believe what was happening, and he said that he kept wandering in the Lord's stomach where there were mountains and galaxies. His own home was also there, and within his stomach also, when the Lord turned 5, he went again to Ayodhya to visit him. All this is happening inside, and he did not know what to do. He got so confused that he shouted, mercy. Get me out of here. Where am I? What is happening? It is said that so many kalps went by when he was inside. And when he shouted mercy, because he was confused. Every time he's going to Ayodhya, every time this is happening, inside the stomach, he shouted. The minute he shouted, the Lord laughed again. Now the Lord laughed, and with that, Kag Bhasundi came out. He came out and he started flying because he was petrified. He just wanted to go back to his home. And he still had the bread in his mouth. So he flew. And the Lord was chasing him. Now 2 small hands are chasing him all the time, and he is flying and he's flying and he's flying. But there is only a difference of 2 fingers between him and the Lord. But he's flying. Just imagine a little boy whose hands are chasing you. He does not know what is happening. And finally he got so baffled, he fell down with a thunder. And then he opened his eyes And what did he see? Again, Ram is laughing, and then he looks at the bread, he starts crying, and he's walking, and he has no idea what is happening. What was this 2 fingers ka farak? And this is the only thing which is keeping us away from tying the Lord. प्रभु को भक्ति से हम बांध नहीं पा रहे, because these 2 fingers, वो कागभसुंडी का भी 2 फिंगर का फर्क, हमारे भी 2 फिंगर का फर्क, माँ यशोदा also this 2 fingers का फर्क. What is it? 2 उंगली का फर्क. ये 2 उंगली का फर्क है क्या? What is this 2 उंगली का फर्क? What could this 2 उंगली का फर्क be? What do you think? What is needed for us? Just 2 उंगली का फर्क, right? इतना सा है. So if I am able to overcome this, I'll be able to tie the Lord. What is it? Some Mahatmas say it is mamta, right? Mamta, and the other thing is delusion, moha. Some put moha kyun? Because this is delusion, right? All this maya hi hai na, everything that is around us is nothing. It is just happening. We are so deluded. And इसी से हमारी ममता हो जाती है. ममता से expectations हो जाती है. Expectation से हम इस दलदल में फंसते जाते हैं. Many Mahatmas says, नहीं, it is delusion and mamta. Matsarya and mamta are the biggest criminals. Attachment. We get so attached and to this delusion that we are not able to tie the Lord. Very much possible. Isn't it? We are so attached to this deluding world. कुछ भी नहीं है. And we know, if we don't go far, okay, let's look at our lives अभी की ही, थोड़े समय की, and sit down and think, कितने लोग आए, कितने लोग गए, right? And everywhere we got attached. And then we moved on. We got attached, we moved on. We got attached, we moved on. How many people have come out, gone, and come out, gone, and come out, gone? What is this? Everybody is a passing cloud, isn't it? Nobody is permanent in my existence. Very few people I can say are permanent. And that also permanent, okay. Certain people, maybe family, maybe they are permanent. They are also not permanent beyond a point. When? After that, children are not permanent after they grow up. So, after you leave this body, there is nothing that you can say which is permanent. This is all that is changing and passing is a passing cloud. And everything that is changing, everything that is passing cannot be real because real is changeless. So what is this? You are getting attached to what? Something which is not real. Something which is a delusion. So is it 2? Could be. These 2 things are keeping us away from the Lord. Our attachment to this delusion is keeping us away from our love towards the Lord. Right? So what do we have to do? We have to unattach from the world and attach ourselves. Detach from the world, attach to the Lord, and you'll be able to tie Him. बहुत मुश्किल है. Right? All that mamta, matsarya bhav, that कहते हैं ना, people can get rid of dvesh, anger. But rag is very difficult to get rid of. Rag is when you are overly attached to things and people. Anger, you can forgive. ठीक है. द्वेष, but जिससे राग है ना, वो बहुत मुश्किल छूटता है. So you can overcome dvesh, but it is very difficult to overcome rag. That is mamta, matsarya. Towards what? Towards this delusional world. But when I think of it, I always feel that ये जो 2 उंगली का फर्क है, and probably it is not me, maybe I have heard it somewhere, I don't even remember. These 2 उंगली का फर्क is only our total surrender, and after that His grace. That total surrender, when does total surrender happen? What is total surrender? We do not know how to totally surrender. अभी तक माँ यशोदा is trying, right? She is trying with her own might कि तुझे बांधती हूँ मैं. पहले तो मेरी लकड़ी कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, साधक को वो होता है ना कि मैंने मेहनत की, एंड उसके बाद में मैं तुझे बांध सकती हूँ. अरे ठाकुर जी को कौन बांध सकता है? Remember Draupadi when she was shouting, help me, all the Pandus are sitting, Bhishma Pitama, Dronacharya, all the Diggaj, Dhritarashtra, and all these Kauravas. Then Dushashan comes and he starts pulling her sari. What does she do? She holds on. She is holding tight. She is fighting. She is calling to other people for help. Arey, Bhim, Arjun, Yudhishthir, Bhishma Pitama. And she is holding on to her sari. She is fighting. She says, Acha, koi mujhe madad kar do, koi mujhe madad kar do. She is holding on to her sari again. She is trying with her might and she is wanting other people to use their might. When finally what happens? She lets go. And then she says, Krishna, bachalo. And that is when she is covered by so much of cloth that Dushasan can never pull it off her. But that moment of surrender, when she let go of her sari, and she said, Krishna, with so much confidence that nobody can derobe me. But till that kind of surrender was not there, till she was running after the world, till she was shouting and fighting ki main kar lungi, the Lord said, go ahead. But the minute she said, nahi, and the minute she surrendered with faith, she did not keep holding on to her sari and said, Shri Krishna. She let go and said, Krishna, कि अब तू संभाल लेगा. नहीं संभालेगा क्या? वो नहीं संभालेंगे क्या? When we have problems, we run to everybody. We use our mind. Arey bhai, everybody, that cat also gets its milk or that bird also gets its worm. So they never bother so much. Why are we so worried? जब सबको उनका खाना मिलता है तो मुझे नहीं मिलेगा क्या? But that surrender है ही नहीं. जब ठाकुर जी सबको संभाल रहे, क्या वो मुझे नहीं संभालेंगे? और क्या मेरी शक्ति उनकी शक्ति से ज्यादा है? When she surrendered, what happened? Did he let her down? No. But before that, we say, हमें पहले दिखाओ तुम, तो फिर हम surrender करेंगे. फिर किस बात का मजा? When she was in the midst of the worst situation a woman can be in. At that time, her faith was so strong, she just let go. In the midst of your greatest problems, when you just let go and you don't shake and you say, yes, my problems are big, but my Lord is stronger. I have faith. बोलने से नहीं, अंदर से, तो क्या वो नहीं आएगा? He is waiting around the corner. But that surrender does not happen, right? And when surrender happens, the second finger, grace, shines. Because no matter how much you surrender, no matter how much you try, no matter how much effort you put in, if His grace is not there, nothing is possible. तो ये जो दो उंगली का फर्क है, वो surrender and कृपा, आत्मनिवेदनम और कृपा, इतनी सी तो बात है बस. When कहते हैं ना गजराज जिसके पैर, what is that story? I'm forgetting the name. That elephant whose leg the crocodile had held, right? And he's shouting, he's trying, he's fighting because the crocodile is also strong and the elephant is also strong. He's fighting, but finally he realizes that it is not happening. So he took a lotus and he pointed his, his trunk towards the Lord and he shouted. At that time, when he said the word, the name was not even complete. By the time the Lord even did not wait for Garud, he just came running. He destroyed the crocodile and he saved the elephant. And at that time, the crocodile's Atman also went into the Lord. He got liberated and he got freed. So now afterwards, after thanking the Lord, he asked, whom did you come for? Me or him? He said, I came for you. You were calling out to me. But when somebody has taken hold of, caught hold of my devotee's feet, he gets liberated first. Because he is holding on to your feet. So I will liberate him first and then you, because you are so dear to me. But till he was fighting, till he was struggling, till he was seeking help from everybody else, his family tried to pull him out, everybody tried to pull him out, they gave up, then he was fighting on his own. Till then the Lord said, okay. The minute the surrender happened, the Lord came running. So it goes hand in hand. The minute the total surrender happens, the grace will always flow. The grace is always flowing. But if we choose to stand under an umbrella and say that we are not getting wet, rain is there everywhere. But we chose to stand under an umbrella. What is this umbrella? The umbrella is where the surrender has not happened. When you remove the umbrella, of course, you'll be drenched by the grace. And this is the two ungal ka jo distance tha. And the minute Ma Yashoda surrendered, the minute she removed the umbrella, she got drenched by grace, and that very minute she tied the Lord. And देखो, जिसको कोई नहीं बांध सकता, योगी तपस्वी, उसको इस, she is just a coward lady. She has tied the Lord, and she said, अब तू यहाँ से हिलना मत. Don't you dare move from here. Everybody else, go to your own houses. Don't disturb me. And I'm going to finish cleaning up. Until then, you better be here. Don't you move. ये कहकर Ma Yashoda left inside, and now this Krishna is still trembling. Just imagine. उसको जिसको कोई नहीं बांध सकता. This simple mother who is ignorant, literally, because even though the drishti was given to her, it was taken away. What did she have that could tie the Lord? This Leela, this Damodar Leela is so beautiful. It is like the entire Granths in one. And if we understand this, the art of tying the Lord ही तो main है ना, कि हम उसको बांध ले बस कि कहीं जा नहीं सके वो. And इसमें who tied whom? Did Ma Yashoda tie him? Or Shri Krishna allow Ma Yashoda to tie him? नहीं तो without his permission, माँ भी उसको नहीं बांध पा रही थी. The minute she surrendered, Krishna said, Tathastu, बांधो. So this Leela teaches us the art of tying the Lord. कैसे बनता है प्रभु? कुछ भी नहीं है इनको क्या है? She is a very simple lady. What does she do? दिन भर गाय का ध्यान रखती है, मक्खन बनाती है, घर की सफाई करती है, बच्चों का संभालती है, कृष्णा 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 करते करते घूमती रहती है. Nothing else. What is it that attracted the Lord? What is it that allowed her to tie him? Beyond surrender, beyond grace is pyar. That love for which he comes and dances in front of everybody, for which he goes to Vanvas, for which he takes the Vaman avatar, for which he takes the Varaha avatar, for which he comes running for Prahlad, is only love. What did they all have that we don't have? We don't have love for the Lord. None of us have it. Whether we like it or not, none of us have it. ज्ञानी को ज्ञान का अहंकार है, कर्म योगी को कर्म का अहंकार है. There are people who don't even believe in his existence. वो भी ठीक है. But even the bhaks don't have love. Getting this love is the ultimate state. Tapasya is easy. Sadhana is easy. But it is all dry without love, right? Bhakti without love ho hi nahi sakti. There is no bhakti without love. And this Ma Yashoda had that love. When she would get up, the thought would be with the Lord. Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. When she is in the kitchen, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. When she is taking care of something, the cows, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. No matter what she is doing, when she is talking to the gopis, her mind is constantly connected to the Lord. Nobody is asking us to run away from what we are doing. But why can't we stay connected? And see, whatever we do in our lives, whatever we are told, all the rituals, although now they have been twisted and turned to such an extent that they don't even reflect what our scriptures are telling us, but each and every ritual is just a way to keep us connected to the Lord. It is a different thing that we put him under the cart and we run around during our festivals, but it is just that. When you get up, क्यों बोलते हैं कि भगवान को भोग लगाओ? Because that's a way to connect. Right? When you cook and you offer, you will remember while cooking, you will remember कि याद रखना है भोग लगाना है, भगवान के लिए भोग लगाना है. I can't taste it. I can't eat anything right now. I have to take a bath, clean and then make it, because otherwise I won't be able to offer it to him. So all through you'll have this. And just in case by chance you forget to offer him, the entire day you'll remember कि अरे बाबा, I made so many things, I ate it, now I can't offer it to him. What do I do? Why do we say, sulao, uthao? Just a way to connect to him. Because we are used to things which we can see and touch and feel, right? So ठीक है ना, तो उठाओ, सुलाओ, बैठाओ, बातें करो, बीच बीच में after every 10 minutes connect to him. अच्छा क्या कर रहे हो, सब ठीक है ना? When there are guests in our house, we won't leave them for a second. Are you okay? You want to drink something? Are you comfortable? Why don't you go and sleep? What do you want? Okay, you must be getting bored. I'll take you out. He is sitting here. How much do we care about him? No. Because we don't believe he is. So when he is not, then why do you cry foul when things go? He is not, na. वो है ही नहीं तो तुम्हारे को कौन बचाएगा? Why can't we? When we have him in the house, why can't we behave the way we behave when guests come? कि अच्छा ठीक है ना, सो गए, उठ जाओ, कुछ पी लो, चाय. क्यों? बिकॉज हम ये मानते ही नहीं है कि वो हैं. जिस दिन हम मानने लग जाएंगे कि वो साक्षात हैं, our mannerisms and behavior will change. This only goes around to show that we don't believe he is. Ma Yashoda never once left Shri Krishna from her thought. She was always connected to him. Whether he was there, whether he was sleeping, whether... हमारे पास में तो कृष्ण है ना. माँ यशोदा के पास में कृष्ण थे, हमारे पास नहीं है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि माँ यशोदा का कृष्ण मेरा कृष्ण कृष्ण नहीं. क्यों? माँ यशोदा का कृष्ण तो मेरा भी तो कृष्ण ही है ना. कब उठ के हम सोचते हैं कि आज उसके लिए माखन मिश्री मंगल भोग लगाएंगे, फिर उसको कपड़े पहनाएंगे, फिर लंच में वो क्या खाएगा? कभी सोचते? माँ यशोदा तो सोचती रहती थी. तो कृष्ण ऐसा नहीं है कि माँ यशोदा के पास में कृष्ण थे तो शी वॉज लकी एंड मेरे पास में नहीं है. ऐसा है ही नहीं. ऐसा कभी होता ही नहीं है कि कृष्ण नहीं होते. कृष्ण तो है. अब now it is up to you whether your love and your actions are like माँ यशोदा or not. क्यों मीरा के पास कृष्ण नहीं थे क्या? थे ना. अब we can say ना कि माँ यशोदा के पास में तो कृष्ण थे, मीरा के पास. And you know what? When gopis later on, when we are going to listen to the Leela, when Shri Krishna went away to Mathura and he was here, Dwarka chale gaye, Mathura chale gaye, and when the gopis were left, even then Krishna was there with them. They said, किसने बोला कि कृष्ण नहीं है? कृष्ण तो यही है. तो हमारा कृष्ण कहाँ है? नहीं है. कृष्ण तो है पर प्यार नहीं है. So the difference between Ma Yashoda and Krishna, who could slap him, who could pull his ear, who could feed him, who could cuddle him, who could love him, and who could make him tremble, was only one thing: love. That is the difference between me and Ma Yashoda. Nothing else. Krishna tab bhi the, Krishna ab bhi hai. And he is ready to be tied by us. He is waiting. पर झुको तो सही, सरेंडर तो करो, मुड़ो तो सही, देखो तो सही. It's very simple yet very difficult, isn't it? This is just a bit of the Leela. We will continue with the Leela in the next session because right now he's tied, right? भक्त ने भगवान को बांध लिया है और भगवान बंधना नहीं चाहते. भगवान is not interested. We feel that we are not interested in Lord. He is also not interested because he becomes a very big problem. The minute we are able to tie him, he becomes our slave. Right? भक्त के तो भगवान अधीन होते हैं. तो we have seen many places when he says, okay, प्रहलाद भक्त था ना, उसने भगवान को बांध लिया था. Till Prahlad was there and till Hiranyakashipu was torturing him, God was on high alert. He said कि अब पता नहीं ये कहाँ बोलेगा कि where I have to come, because he says everywhere is there. I'll have to appear where he points. He was restless. He was awake. He was just following Prahlad's finger. कि कहाँ जब बोलेगा, if he says दीवार पे तो दीवार से निकलना है मुझे, टेबल बोलेगा तो टेबल से निकलना है मुझे, जमीन बोलेगा तो जमीन से निकलना है, तो I have to be. He was always, he was Prahlad's slave. उनको नहीं पसंद. Raja Ambrish, when the Sudarshan Chakra came, so Durvasa Rishi went to the Lord. He said, मैं नहीं भाई, I am Bhakta Paradhin. Sudarshan does not even listen to me because you tried to attack the Lord. Now, if you, Lord, Ambrish, because he is the Lord, he is my Bhakt. So you apologize and automatically the Sudarshan will go away if Ambrish forgives you. I am but a slave of my devotee. जब भीष्म पितामह, he said, I take this pran, कि I'll make sure Krishna lifts a weapon. Narayani Sena Dedi, he took a pran that I will not lift any weapon. Yet when Bhishma Pitama said, this is my word, this is my pran, this is my pratigya, that I will make Krishna lift a weapon, Krishna said, Tathastu. When they started attacking Arjun and the Rath fell and Arjun got injured, Krishna got so angry, he ran, he pulled out a wheel, he lifted the wheel and he rushed towards Bhishma Pitama to hit him. That wheel became a weapon. And Arjun realized in that battered, broken state, he rushed and he caught hold of Sri Krishna. He said, what are you doing? You have taken a pratigya. You have given your word that you will not lift a weapon. What will people say about you? The Lord said, who cares? Bhishma Pitama has taken the pratigya that he will make me lift a weapon. Hence, my pratigya can be broken 100 times, but my devotee's pratigya should never be broken. My devotee's word cannot be false. My word can be false. Nobody can say that Bhishma Pitama ki pratigya nishfal chali. Such a Lord. My goodness, मतलब भक्तों के लिए वो अपनी प्रतिज्ञा तोड़ने को तैयार है. He is able, he is okay to be defamed. And हम ऐसे भगवान की तरफ देखना ही नहीं चाहते. And where are we running? We are running away from him towards his Maya. Just imagine what kind of a Lord we are talking about. जो ऐसी ऐसी लीला करता है. This is not mere story. This is our इतिहास. कृष्ण उतरे, कृष्ण भागे, कृष्ण ने ये किया. इसका प्रमाण है. तो जब हमें पता है कि भगवान आते हैं, भगवान दौड़ते हैं, भगवान की द्वारिका अभी भी है पानी के नीचे, तो अब तो प्रमाण भी है ना. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ऐसा थोड़ी होता, ऐसा हुआ है. कृष्ण आते हैं, कृष्ण ऐसा करते हैं, ये हमारा इतिहास है. तो प्रभु आते हैं ना, प्रभु लीला करते हैं ना, प्रभु में सामर्थ्य है ना, प्रभु में प्यार है ना, और प्रभु भक्तों के पराधीन है ना. फिर what is stopping us from becoming his devotee? What is stopping us from that love that we can give him? What is stopping us from that surrender? What is the fear? समझ ही नहीं आता. एंड ये माँ यशोदा ही ऐसी है जो कृष्ण को बांध सकती है. अब वो बंध गए, कृष्ण बंध गए, खड़े हैं वहां पे. जस्ट इमेजिन लिटिल बॉय ट्रेम्बलिंग, नॉट नोइंग व्हाट टू डू, वंडरिंग कि अब क्या होगा. Everybody has left him. All the gopis went away, nobody could save him. All his friends went away, nobody could see him. All the monkeys are up on the tree. क्या पता माँ हमें एक दो लगा दे. सब चले गए, कृष्ण अकेले, माँ अंदर, बंधे हुए खड़े हैं. प्रभु प्यार से बंध के जाते हैं. बहुत ऐसे हैं. कौन आया था? विठल ना. मैं मेरी अभी मम्मी पापा की सेवा कर रहा हूँ. कौन आया है? वहाँ खड़े हो जाओ, जब तक मैं आता नहीं हूँ आप वहाँ खड़े रहो, अभी मेरे को पहले मेरे माँ बाप की सेवा करनी. वो खड़े रहे, वहाँ खड़े रहे. वो भक्त के लिए तो कहीं पे भी आके खड़े हो जाते हैं. दिस इज नॉट मिथ, ऐसा होता है. मीरा तो उन्हीं में समा गई. तो फिर और क्या प्रमाण चाहिए हमें? पता नहीं. जस्ट इमेजिन, कृष्ण बंधे हैं, हम भी बांध सकते हैं. This is the beautiful Damodar Leela. This is just half of it. This is just half of it. Any thought, anything that is coming to your mind?
My thought is very weird, but then, yeah. But when God is there, He's created all of us. Why did He create us? Why are we not in Him already? We are Him, He is us. Everything is His. We are playing with His Maya, with His world that He's created. Everything can become Him in 1 minute, and everything can just stand like this.
Yes.
I don't know what is separate, what is him, what is us, or is it just that he's made us and we just live with whatever his will is, just things are happening and just stay like that, or where is the need for us to even think of him when we are living in his world, when we are us and he is, I don't know. Should we
There is something called a catch-22 kind of a thing. There is a sage who says, sadhana gada hai. Sadhana, जैसे ना साधना करो, साधन, you effort करो, तप करो, जप करो. He says it is mere donkey work. It is not. मतलब कि साधना गधा है, right? मतलब कि बेकार है, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. पर साधना गधा है, साधना इज नॉट नीडेड. ये समझने के लिए साधना करनी पड़ेगी. It is right, you say, na, like, sadhana is not needed. But to understand that there is no difference, everything is in him, everything is him, everything is as per him. To understand that, to have that realization and experience, you have to do sadhana. Ultimately, it is not needed. But to understand it is not needed, you have to do it. This is called a catch-22. कहते हैं ना कि ज़रूरत नहीं है, बेकार है. क्या है साधना? कुछ भी नहीं है. हम है, वो है, हम एक ही है, right? But to understand कि हम है, वो है, हम एक ही है, we have to do sadhana to realize that sadhana is not needed. साधना तो करनी ही पड़ेगी. Why did he create us? There are certain, this is something which is very deep, and we have been discussing this in Gita only, कि कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ से आना है, कौन बंधा हुआ है, कौन खुला है, कुछ भी तो नहीं है. पर आपको पता है क्या? Do you know?
कुछ भी पता नहीं है, वो भी है.
तो कैसे पता चलेगा? You are not bound, right? We look at the elephant. When elephant is a baby, they shackle the elephant and they tie him. And later on, that elephant is grown up and now he does not shackle him anymore. He just makes that sound. And the elephant thinks that he is tied. We are conditioned. Now, somebody tells the elephant, you can move, you can run. You are so big, nobody can stop you. But said, नहीं, मैं तो बंधा हुआ हूँ. भाई, our conditioning. अब इसको हटाएंगे कैसे? Right? This veil of ignorance, how do we remove it? Sadhana करना पड़ेगा. साधना क्या? Look at Krishna Leela. What is butter? What is butter? Milk? You dissolve in water, what will happen to the milk? There is very हंस है ना जो milk और उसको अलग कर सकता है. हम तो नहीं कर सकते. Milk and water will become one. Right? But now you take the milk. Right? You turn it into curd. Then from the curd, what do? Even if you mix curd and water, it will become one. You churn it. Churn it, what happens? Butter comes out. When the butter comes out, this butter, you put it into water again. Will it mix? It is the same thing, no? Where is the difference? Milk ही तो है ultimately. Was there anything else other than milk that you churned? You take a good quality milk, you make butter, dahi, everything is that milk only. But this milk, if you mix it into water, it becomes one with the water. But this butter, which is nothing but milk, if you mix it into water, water remains and butter remains. So, अगर आप दूध हो और संसार में रम रहे हो, तो you will become one with the Maya. You would not be able to stay away from the Maya. So do that sadhana, do that manthan, do that mathni. When we talk about butter so much in Krishna Leela, what is my Yashoda doing? She's churning. What is she churning? This is called tapas. This is called sadhana. This is called total surrender, and she's churning, and that is when the Lord comes. When you churn, that much of effort, that much of need, that much of, that tadaf hoti hai na to know the Lord. She is churning. What is she churning? She's churning butter. From water, she wants to become butter. And after that, even if you put it into the water, nothing will happen. Maya wahi hai. The difference is in you. Till you are milk, everything ruffles you. right? Everything, there is something happy, you'll become overjoyed. Something bad, you'll become depressed. Why? Because you're still milk. But then after that churning of the butter, when you look at this Leela, it's so beautiful. Ma Yashoda is churning the butter. And when she becomes Makhan, she is able to tie the Lord. When that sadhana gives fruit, when it is only butter left, when there is no ego, there is no me, there is nothing left, when there is total surrender, you can tie the Lord. The Maya is the same, the world is the same, nothing has changed. Because you realize कि कुछ है ही नहीं, सब एक लीला है. It is just a play. I am not even an actor. I am probably just the screen on which everything is happening, and I am getting so affected. Why? When we go to a movie also, we know it is a movie, right? But we get so engrossed that we cry and laugh. But later on, because it's a movie, say it was just a movie. There are people who get disturbed for a week or two, even after watching that movie, knowing that it is not real. तो ये तो प्रभु की माया है. To distance ourselves, what? Churn. साधना तो करनी ही पड़ेगी to realize कि साधना की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. To know that you were never bound, you have to do that sadhana. But ultimately you're not bound. You do not have to get free. There is nowhere to go. But to have that realization and experience, sadhana to karni padegi. And why did he? Did he actually make anything? कुछ है भी है, कुछ है भी नहीं. ये कैसे पता चलेगा? कैसे पता चलेगा? साधना तो करनी पड़ेगी. Once Vivekanand was standing and we'll close this with this. He was, doing his Surya Namaskar and he was doing his Surya Vandana and he was taking a dip in the Ganga. And a person came running. He said, I have my train in 5 minutes. I have to go to the station. I have to leave in 5 minutes. So please hurriedly tell me, how do I get God? Vivekanand ji, how do I realize God? है ना? मतलब फटाफट बता दो, क्योंकि this is an ultimate question. This is what I know. ये सब है क्या? जंजाल क्या है इस बार? तो विवेकानंद जी looked at him कि अब इसके पास में 5 मिनट हैं, कैसे बताऊं? How do I get God? तो विवेकानंद जी was nice built. This is a story I've heard. कितना सही है कितना नहीं है मुझे नहीं पता. But he took hold of him and he was, गंगा जी में ही थे ना, तो उनको डाला नीचे. His head in the water and it kept the head under water ताकि दम नहीं निकले. But he started gasping for breath. And then he took him out. And he said, आप तो स्वामी हैं. What are you doing? You almost killed me. So Vivekanand ji said, what were you thinking of when you were inside, under the water? He said, I could not think of anything else. I could think of only breath. I just wanted one breath. One breath, थोड़ी सी हवा मिल, थोड़ी सी सांस आ जाए. That is all that I could have thought of. And Vivekanand ji said, you got your answer. Go. The day you can think of the Lord like that, कि बस एक झलक मिल जाए, बस that one pointed, कि जैसे कहते हैं ना, मरने वाला कोई जिंदगी चाहता हो जैसे. There is a song ना, हम तुम्हें चाहते हैं ऐसे, मरने वाला कोई जिंदगी चाहता हो जैसे. क्या? There is like, if you are not there, पल में ऐसा लगे जिस्म से जान जैसे जुदा हो. When you are not there, I feel as if my body and my pran are moving away. So when you can think of the Lord, that कि मुझे एक breath, when you're so pointed that nothing else, I just want the Lord, you'll get the Lord. And then this Maya will crumble. कुछ है ही नहीं, तो फिर क्या मैं क्या तू. But for that realization, churning तो बहुत ज़रूरी है ना. माँ यशोदा is churning, all the gopis are churning, because मक्खन बने बिना संसार में हम घुल जाएंगे. कुछ बनाया क्या उनने या नहीं बनाया, पता कैसे चलेगा? कुछ भी नहीं है शायद, हमें लग रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि हम दूध हैं, अभी मक्खन नहीं बने हैं. What is needed for that? साधना, churning. इसी के लिए for the साधक to get to the साध्य, साधना करनी पड़ेगी. And that is the churning of the butter. We'll close the class. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, वासुदेवाय वासुदेवाय। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, जय बोलो हनुमान की, जय बोलो हनुमान की। बोलो बजरंग बली की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान।